What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Gym Class by Lil Peep. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the first fret. It's only using 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. I will start this off by saying I'm not 100% sure if these are the exact chords that are played throughout the entire song, because the way that Lil Peep made his music, it's very weird and unique, but these chords will work if you play it along to the song or if you want to sing the song and play it by yourself. So the first chord you're going to want is going to be G major. It's 3 2 0 0 0 3, ring finger 3rd fret low E, middle finger 2nd fret A, pinky finger 3rd fret high E. Then you're going to go D major, which is 0 0 0 2 3 2, index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, ring finger 3rd fret B string, middle finger 2nd fret high E string. And then E minor, 0 2 2 0 0 0, middle finger 2nd fret A string, ring finger 2nd fret D string. And then finally C major, it's going to be 0 3 2 0 1 0, ring finger 3rd fret on your A string, middle finger 2nd fret on your D string, index finger 1st fret on your B string. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, 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 down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Guys, that's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Billy Schultz Music. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.